Got another box of gear in the mail today, and I'm pretty sure I know what this is. It is not from Amazon, which is kind of gives it away. So hopefully it's one of the important ways to start the day in the backcountry, and it's enough supplies to get us through the trek we're fixing to leave on. So let's cut into it and check it out. Okay, here we go. Dun, dun, dun. It is what I thought it was. It is a case of Four Sigmatic coffee products and a new thing that I'm going to be integrating into some of my recipes, which is the Four Sigmatic protein powder, and the ingredients: organic lucuma powder, organic coconut palm sugar, pink Himalayan sea salt, organic cinnamon powder, and organic monk fruit extract. And it's got a whole lot of different mushrooms and adaptogens: ashwagandha, can't pronounce the next one, cordyceps, lion's mane, reishi, turkey tail mushroom, and chaga extract. So this will be interesting, and as soon as I get it worked into some recipes, you'll be the first to know when we upload the content on the channel. So the rest of this box is really the stock supplies for what I need to get ready to prepare my food and pack my food for the trek for me and my hiking partner. And I mentioned it in other videos, but this is by far my preference for a coffee solution on the trail. And I'll go through the ones that I've got here, and we can talk about them. So, and I think this will be enough at least for, 5 to 6 nights, something like that. So, and I am happy drinking cold coffee, and I don't really like most of the instant coffee options that are available. However, the exception is the Four Sigmatic brand coffees, and they have different things added to them. This one has cordyceps and chaga added to it, and so it's more of a, it's got a little guy running on it, so sort of gives you some pep and sharpens your focus. We've got the other coffee is this adaptogen blend coffee, and these all just taste like coffee. I mean, there's no mushroom flavor to them at all. This one has tulsi, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, and ashwagandha in it. And these are adaptogens, and adaptogens, you can Google that, but an adaptogenic herb is an herb that helps you balance your hormones. So it doesn't directly, it's not a replacement or an exogenic hormone. It is just simply is an herb that helps your own body bring back your hormonal balance to whatever it should be. And so that's what adaptogens are. So this is great. I love that. So, morning, later in the day, and there should be some with reishi. Yeah, so in the evening, one of my favorite things to do, and I don't just do this in the backcountry, I do this at home as well, is in the evenings and I don't do this every day, but this, basically it's a hot cocoa mix. I don't really like mine hot, but it's a cacao mix, and it's got reishi in it, which just helps, you know, with a little bit calming. And none of these things feel like a sedative or a drug. So the ingredients in this is organic cacao powder, organic coconut palm sugar, organic reishi extract, which is a mushroom, organic cinnamon, organic cardamom extract, and organic stevia leaf extract. And let's see, what are the macros? So one packet, which total weight is 6 grams, contains 25 calories, 4 grams of carbohydrate, and 2 of those grams are sugar. So again, whether you're in keto or not, this is a great, all of these are great options for hot or cold drink mixes on the trail. If you're looking for something that's chocolatey or coffee-like, these will hit the spot. But this one definitely in the evening is great. I've got a couple of new products that I'm excited to try out. This one is a mocha mix with chaga, and it's got 50 milligrams of caffeine in it. Let's see, per serving, again, 4 carbohydrates per packet, 6 grams total weight, and 1 gram of sugar, 1 gram of protein in this particular one, and mocha, so it's going to have more cacao probably in it and be chocolatey. So this one is a chai latte mix, and so this one is caffeine free. I think this one, it doesn't say it contains caffeine. So these are 2 that would be good for evening, you know, when you're wanting something light coffee or chocolatey and kind of an evening wind down. These 2 are the ones I'm going for to fit that need. And then these others are going to be the options for your normal caffeine in the morning, you know, early afternoon through lunchtime, probably coffee options if you feel like you need that. So that's this unboxing. These will play an integral role into our meal plan for our backcountry trek that is coming up, and so expect to see those in that video when we're packing things up. So if you haven't tried out Four Sigmatic, give them a try. These aren't sponsored. I use my own money to buy this stuff. I really do use this whether I'm on the trail or not. So check those out, and thanks for joining. I hope this is helpful for you, and leave a comment, like it if you like it, and if you haven't subscribed, take a minute, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that it's the solid bell. That way you get notifications every time we update new content on the FrostySith channel, and continue to come back every week. We post new content at least on Thursdays with supplemental videos other times of the week as well. And as I mentioned before, we'll have some upcoming trail and backcountry videos and vlogs headed your way. So remember, get up, get out, live a little. Thanks. See ya.